Here we have an antique pine wardrobe. This one dates from about 1910, and like most of our wardrobes, it does totally dismantle for delivery, so no problems going up stairways and what have you. It has a shaped cornice top and panelled sides, and let me see, you've got bun feet at the front, blocks at the rear. Now down the left hand and right hand sides you've got this fluting. And again you've got the panels down the right hand side. The doors themselves again are panelled. You have a fully working lock with a key. Now we will fit a brand new brass hanging rail in here to hang your clothes. Now this one also has the advantage of two drawers at the bottom. They've got wooden knob handles. Quite a nice size. The code number for this one is N1608D. The price in the barewood is £800, or if you like it wax polished, it's £887. It's 76.5 inches high, 54 inches wide. It's nice and deep. It's 26.5 inches deep, and the internal depth is 20 inches, so plenty deep enough for hanging up to large coats.